Hello, good morning, everyone. Good afternoon or good evening. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, we will discuss related to construction workflow or interface. So, we'll start. Hey, guys. So now, if you recall, if you remember the last presentations that I uploaded or downloaded or share in my YouTube channel that we are discussing the workforce workflow of the construction process. So if you recall that I told that we need to identify in brief and detailed what is the process workflow. All right. So shall we start? So now it's I need to rephrase to recall, identify. So if you recall, we need to identify. So how to identify? So we need to identify through feed feasibility study. That's what we call feed engineering, front end engineering. So after that, we need to know what is the cost and estimate of our project, how much the price of the project, $10 billion, $100, 100 million. Okay. So what kind of deliverables that we need as per all disciplines required. And then after that, we need to evaluate. As I mentioned earlier, evaluate, so develop preliminary drawing, design as per our conceptual study. So now we identify, we evaluate, and then we need to define. So define the same is to develop our drawing. So next, we need to do the design. So we are hiring the manpower, in lead engineers, designers, CAD operator, document controller, material specialist, etc. Now that's the time we start the design and do the procurement, material ordering, and looking for the vendors. So what is the vendor requirements? This blah blah blah, etc. Right? So build. So now we start to build. So everything is in place, the drawing is in place, the manpower is in place. So now we start building. So site or yard fabrication, we can say construction. So we need the job cards, permits, quality control, mechanical completion, shutdown or turnaround. Okay, this is all the requirements that we need and required during the building or construction activities. Okay, and now we need to hire the commissioning team. So that's the time when the construction completed, meaning all the ITRs close, punch list close, or sometimes there is a punch list remaining. So we need to carry over to our commissioning, and if we agree everything, so commissioning will start system by subsystem and completions. After that, we have to ready for commission, of course, before ready to start up. And then this is the process of first to identify, and now we do the commissioning. So handover, we need to hand over to our operation and maintenance team, including those documents that 2 years spare parts, uh, cataloging our dosers, that's to be hand over. And commission and the operation maintenance team or the client or the stakeholder, they agreed, and then all the time that will be closed. Right? So construction process to identify, set the project priorities, clear customer objectives, market studies, order of magnitude cost, economic evaluation, risk analysis, and estimates. And then define project execution plan, project risk, project schedule, appropriation level estimate, benchmarking, optimal contract strategy, and vendor pricing, lead, and critical items. And now we have evaluate, value improvement, and optical contract strategy, benchmarking, economic evaluation, and risk analysis. Of course, we have preliminary cost. So this is the detailed explanations of our identify, define, and evaluate, guys. All right. I think you already got uh, what is the important thing of our construction workflow. So this is all the construction work process. Say so design. So this is the construction process, guys. The aim of being to ensure that construction efficiency, okay, remove or uh, minimize the engineering rework. So that's why this is the most important thing that we need to know these things, right? So all the deliverables, objectives, and targets with align with align with our customers or client during the transition, startup, commissioning, schedules, everything, right? So this is the design. We need to tackle this all by details. So appropriation, benchmarking, okay. So commissioning on handover, what is the requirement of the commissioning handover? So reporting, monitoring, quality control, benchmark, punch list, facility startup, subcontract close out, purchase order close out, and what you need to build, reporting, monitoring, quality control, operation level, factory acceptance testing, and site acceptance testing. So subcontractor implementations and vendor deliverables. So now, guys, it's very clear that you have an idea now what is the construction workflow and process, and all the things that you need to know. It's only here, and we are discussing here related to my work, construction quality, and other testings, including my personal life and travel, etc. So have a nice day, guys, and thank you for your continuing support. And for those new in my channel, don't forget to like and subscribe and positive comment. All right, see you. Bye bye.